How many times have you reached for takeout simply because you were too tired to think about what to cook? We have all been there. Welcome back to Healthy Weight Hub, where we focus on sustainable lifestyle changes that actually fit into your busy schedule. Today, we are diving into 5 simple meal prep habits that will transform your relationship with food, save you hours of stress, and help you hit those wellness goals without feeling overwhelmed. The first habit is mastering the art of theme nights. One of the biggest hurdles to healthy eating is decision fatigue. By assigning a theme to each night, like Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, or Stir Fry Thursday, you narrow down your choices. This does not mean you eat the same thing every week. It means you have a framework. For example, on Taco Tuesday, you can do shrimp tacos one week and black bean bowls the next. This mental shortcut reduces the stress of planning and ensures you always have a starting point when you walk into the grocery store. Next, let us talk about batch cooking your proteins and grains. Instead of cooking one chicken breast or half a cup of quinoa, cook enough for 3 or 4 meals at once. Proteins like grilled chicken, baked tofu, or hard-boiled eggs are incredibly versatile. You can toss them into a salad for lunch, stir them into a pasta dish for dinner, or wrap them in a tortilla for a quick snack. By doing the heavy lifting of cooking once, you are essentially creating a healthy fast food environment in your own fridge. Habit number 3 is the Sunday pre-chop. Most of the time spent cooking is not actually at the stove, it is at the cutting board. When you get home from the grocery store, do not just shove your vegetables into the crisper drawer where they might be forgotten. Spend 20 minutes washing, peeling, and chopping your peppers, onions, and greens. When your ingredients are ready to go, you are much more likely to add them to your meals. Imagine coming home tired and seeing pre-cut veggies ready for a quick sauté versus a whole head of broccoli that needs processing. Convenience is the key to consistency. Our fourth habit is an inventory check. Before you write a single item on your grocery list, look at what you already have. We often overbuy because we forget about that bag of lentils in the back of the pantry or the frozen spinach in the freezer. By building your meal plan around what you already own, you save money and reduce food waste. This also encourages creativity. Maybe those forgotten black beans become the base for a delicious chili. It is a sustainable habit for your wallet and your waistline. Finally, embrace the 80-20 rule of meal prep. You do not need to prep 21 perfect meals every Sunday. That is a recipe for burnout. Instead, aim to prep 80% of your meals and leave 20% for flexibility. Maybe you prep your breakfasts and lunches, but keep dinners simple and spontaneous. This allows room for social outings, or those nights when you really just want a simple omelet. Flexibility is what makes a habit sustainable in the long run. To wrap things up, remember that meal planning is an act of self-care. It is about nourishing your body and respecting your time. Start with just one of these habits this week. Maybe it is the theme nights or the pre-chopping, and see how it feels. You do not have to be perfect. You just have to be prepared. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Healthy Weight Hub for more evidence-based wellness advice. We would love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these habits are you going to try first? Do not forget to check the description below for some of our favorite meal prepping tools and resources to help you on your journey. You have got this, and we are here to support you every step of the way. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next video.